How to fix FIFA 21 crashing on Windows PC. 1. Meet the minimum requirements to play FIFA 21. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Roll back your graphics driver, if you can. 3. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify integrity of your game files. 4.1. If you played FIFA 21 on Steam. 4.2. If you played the game on Origin. 5. Change the DXX settings, FIFA setup.ini app. See /users/username/documents/FIFA 21. 5.1. If DXX_select equals 1, change 1 to 0. 5.2. If DXX_select equals 0, change 0 to 1. Refer to the IMG below. 6. Modify the in-game settings. Resolution, windowed borderless. Rendering quality, low. MSAA options, off. 7. Disable overlay. 7.1 Steam, 7.2 Origin, 8. Play in offline mode.